What up, you do? We're back with Shroofy. Ramos is here, as always. Sun's in my eyes. I want some fries. Suck off some guys. What? We're back to work on the S14. Schedule's released, so we have a month and a half. So it really is crunch time. We got to get some stuff done. We got to finish the wiring, finish the gauges, set up everything inside, get a battery, get rear tow arms, replace this lower control arm, get the intercooler piping made, because this is just temporary piping that I'm using. Do headlights, do tail lights. I would like to have headlights and tail lights. But yeah, we're gonna get set up, and we have 2 days off this week. Or Ramos doesn't have a job, but I have 2 days off this week. Just calling you out. So I'm gonna try to get as much done as I can this week, even though we're starting kind of late today because we ate Chick-fil-A.
Sound like it's a full day.
Huh?
Sound like we ate Chick-fil-A like all day.
We basically did. It's all we've done today. Alright, we're gonna go buy some supplies from AutoZone. We're gonna buy some hoses I need, wiring I need. Hopefully get everything I need from the store in one batch. I won't have to worry about it later, and I could just keep working on stuff. So yeah, we'll be back.
I wanna see you right here when I'm calling on you. I want you more than ever, but you know that I got pride in a way. Chill don't exist, I'm trying to get out, but the wheels never spin. I'm working on it, just work with me. Why? Might have caught me in the back seat, windows down, blowing dang, sipping Crown. Got this dead in the.
So I'm tired of moving my battery back and forth, so I'm just gonna go buy one, or at least hope to buy one. I'm gonna look at Academy and see if they have any.
We could be more than friends, and friends that fuck, it all depends. Pain never fail, gotta keep.
We're back. We didn't do much yesterday except I drove the car but didn't film it, and almost died from smoke inhalation. Yeah, poison. But we're gonna handle the lower control arm and make sure my tie rod's the right length. Let's get started.
Quench your thirst, babe. Mean that in the worst way. Make a nigga feel like it's his birthday. I don't fuck around, I never slack. But if you really want it, then I gotta get it back. Nobody gotta know about it. We can keep it extra tight. Don't need my soul crowded, just my throne mounted. Boy, you're phony for the night. Please don't get ahead of it. I'm here for the benefits. Roll it up and we can catch a vibe. I just need a lover and a friend to pass the time. A bed to crash tonight. This ain't nothing special, I came for that act right. Got my spend the night bag, you know I always pack light. Ain't no strings attached, my nigga, fuck it, I'll be that type. Pull up inconspicuous, make love like it's our last night, yeah. Ain't no shame cause you got knees and
So we got it off. This one is definitely messed up, and this one's how it's supposed to be, so you can definitely tell where the damage is here and on this side. So hopefully that corrects our caster issues, my caster issues. So let's go get these ball joints pressed out by homeboy, and yeah, go from there. So homeboy was busy at the shop, so we just left the lower LCA with him. I'm gonna measure the exact center of the rack, that way we know we're centered. And we might need to cut the tie rod a little more because I think we're still a little towed in. So yeah, let's do it.
Doctor, know about that head. Got that lobotomy. Stay with that medicinal. Call you like the pharmacy. Faded out my money, trading ganja for that honesty. Ask me how his numbers say it and make me say it audibly. Let's not take it too deep. The sex can keep this novelty. I spend my time daydreaming about us. I don't want your love, I just need your touch, yeah, I wanna feel, but I ain't tryna trust. Know you pussy down, so I'm tryna give it up when you want it. I can quench your thirst, babe. Mean that in the worst way. Make a nigga feel like it's his birthday. I don't fuck around, I never slack. But if you really want it, then I gotta get it back. Nobody gotta know about it. We can keep it extra tight. Don't need my soul crowded, just my phone mounted. Boy, you're phony for the night. Please don't get ahead of it. I'm here for the benefits. Roll it up and we can catch a vibe. I just need a lover and a friend to pass the time. Prepared to crash tonight.
Alright, so I figured out the exact middle for the tie rods and we look good. We're out on one of them, but I'll wait for us to get the lower control arm back to make sure I'm not just chipping about that. I'm gonna try to figure out the wideband now, see if that's why I'm smoking, and try to download the Megasquare program on a laptop. That way I can plug it in and see what it tells me. Video, go back. Shouldn't I think you paid for it, right? Which one? Page? Go back, yeah, go back. Nope, that's not it. Oh, that's not it. Go back to the download page. I brought in Mr. Big Brain. Try to help me figure out why the ECU is not being picked up by the laptop. So we found out Ramos's computer wasn't compatible with what we were trying to do. It doesn't have the right drivers. So if anybody has a laptop, they can let me use. Let me know. So we went to go get the lower control arm. Shout out to Robert, SCD Muffler. I just don't feel like messing with this stuff, so I usually just let him use his air hammer and he'll get it out for me. But I'm gonna cut this bump stop off and reinstall it. Make sure my tie rods are the right length. And yeah, put everything back together. I don't really know what we got done today. Just little things. Might be kind of boring to watch, I'm sorry. I wanted to figure out my whole smoke issue and get my AFR readings, but looks like that's not gonna happen. Kind of a bummer of a day.
Asking me who I'm texting, but what you don't know is that I'm working on my flexing. I was down bad, but a nigga learned his lesson. I was in the trenches, shit was worse than depression. Always moving right, gotta have them niggas guessing. I'm just trying to blow, so I can't be resting. What's up with these questions? What's up with these questions? What's up with these questions?
Okay, so I don't remember the last time I checked if the camera was recording or not. Don't know what's the last thing I said. But we're putting the lower control arm back on. Hopefully that fixes all my caster issues. Ramos is here. But we gotta finish up, clean up, and call it a night. Cause it's cold.
I'ma let you know, baby girl, I'm not cheating and I never will. I'm too busy working on my dreams, trying to get a deal. I know that he hurt you in the past, but I never will. I'm just trying to help you out, I'm just trying to help you heal. So what's up with these questions? Always getting mad at me.
Alright, that's it for the day. We got the wheel back on, got our caster looking good. I don't know how much you can see, but everything looks good. I still have toe in over here, so I need to adjust that again. But that's gonna be it for now. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, and Ramos. How's it go?
Okay.
Stay safe. Good luck. Have fun.
Stay good.
Stay good.
Stay safe. Good luck. Have fun. Deuce.
Sound like a robot. Later.